Hello. How's it going?
There we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. What's up? What's up? Yes, we are live. What?
Oh yeah, we are live, dude.
What's up? It's Dreamcore, and I don't know what you call your name on stream.
Graham.
It's just Graham. Not just Graham.
Graham.
It is Graham. And today
you could call me the Grameister or the Graminator or
the Gramoire, like a book.
Oh, I like that. The Gramoire. I like that.
So today we're going to be taking a look at some stuff in Godot for a project Graham is working on. Called Shadowborn.
Shadowborn.
Yes. And specifically, we're going to be looking at some animation trees, something I'm very skilled at, 3D character animation. What I actually specialize in.
Hell yeah.
Well, Graham doesn't necessarily specialize in it either. So we're just going to be doing some exploring today. At least for about an hour and a half.
Or we are going to be fumbling a lot.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be one of those. For exploring, fumbling. Yeah. We're going to do our best.
So which version of Godot are we using? I do have Godot. But
help about Godot, and it says we're using Godot Engine 4.5.1 stable official.
All right, let's see. All right, hold on. All right, you can see that. I was gonna write this to you, but you can see it anyway. Hold on. Let's see.
You should be able to clone my repo on GitHub from just like looking at your like shared stuff to you. You shouldn't have to use a GitHub URL or anything to clone.
I have GitHub desktop.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, yeah. So,
but what I'm saying is, it should just show up. Oh, gotcha.
Hold on. Let me see here. I'll make sure I'm running in the right version of Godot. How do I do that? How do I find that out? Oh, about Godot. And I am. Can you do what?
Can I share my screen with you? Would that?
Oh yeah, sure. All right, so I'm on Godot 4.5 stable.
4.5.1.
Oh, hold on.
Hold on. I will try. So here we go. About Godot. Yeah, 4.5.1 stable.
I do believe they did just update it. Hold on, let me come in a different thing. Means I should just be able to download it.
What's the current version at? Let's see.
It looks like it is 4.5.1.
Oh, well then that's probably what you have then.
All right. No, I I didn't have that version. Hold on.
This is like the new indie engine, basically.
Are you?
Unity's
Are you? You probably don't have this. You're not using C# to run in your code, are you?
That's a negative.
Okay. Let me download this one.
I'm using a ChatGPT PT.
I mean, yeah, but like, what's it writing in?
what is it called? G script or whatever?
GD
Godot
script.
script, GD script.
Okay. All right. I just had to make sure because there's 2 versions of Godot I could download, and one is a .NET version for C#.
Okay.
But I'm opening this.
Kind of curious, if I were to create a new GPT chat, would I be able to drag it into my project?
Well, the way that I do it is using Visual Studio Code because they have a Godot plugin in there. So
We will do both. Well, we could try both out.
Hold on, let me. Oh gosh. I'm gonna drag this into application and hopefully it doesn't. Okay. Godot Mono and then Godot. What's this one? All right, open. All right. Okay, so make sure I'm in the right one. If you invite me to your repo,
I thought I did.
Which you might have, and I just yeah, I think you did a while ago. So let me see. GitHub, desktop, and then go to how do I back out of my current repo? Oh wait, let me do this.
How do I even like see who is like part of?
Oh wait, I'm here right now. I'm in your repo right now. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull. Cool. Okay. All right. We are here.
All right. So I can't see what you're seeing. Is there any way you could share your screen?
I can share my screen. Yeah.
Yeah, because watching your stream, there's a delay. So.
I love how I tell YouTube to have no delay, and it's like, I see that you want me to have no delay. I will have a lot of delay. Okay, so okay, those are random things. So I should be able to open your project just from and if you hear music, that's just some lo-fi stuff I'm playing. How do you open? Oh, do you do it in the launcher? Is that location? No. Import? Do I do import? Oh, this is a fun browser. Okay. Wait, can I still... Hello? Can you hear me? I feel like you just stopped talking. Hello? Hello? I cannot hear you. I don't know what happened. But oh wait, no, this is the wrong project. This is Allegory. We don't want that project. Hold on. I don't see your other project. Weirdly enough. Yeah, that's the wrong project. My mic is lighting up, but you can't hear me. That's my magnifier. Ignore that horizontal line. Oh. No, that's right. No, okay, this is right. Hello? Hold on, let me stop sharing my screen. Hello? Hello? You're not lighting up on my side. Hold on.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, there you go. All right. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Now you can hear me. Oh. That's cool. What the heck? Wait, is OBS still getting the microphone? Hold on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's still working. Okay. This is silly. We don't have a lot of time to be messing around. Okay. Join the gaming channel. All right.
Fluffy butts.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello? I can hear you, but you can't hear me apparently.
Hello,
That's very annoying. That is
David.
okay. That's right. Hello? Hello? What? Okay, so Discord can hear me. And they can hear me, but you can't hear me. What the heck? What happened? I just started sharing my screen and everything broke. Why? Why? All right. Let me close Discord. This is so silly.
Atomotasfandums. YOOO. Guess who's back? It's been such a long time.
Yo, what's up? How you doing? How you been? Hold on. I'm trying to hello. All right. I can see green things lighting up and I see you and I can hear you. Yes.
Yes.
All right.
I don't know what you did, but
I restarted Discord.
That did things.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Toy? How you doing? Not you. I was talking to somebody in chat. I'm messing around in Godot today. Well, attempting to. With a friend of mine named Graham, and I am trying to figure out why I do not have I don't see your you say I am invited, but I do not.
Atomotasfandums. I'm good. Finally finished school. Doing Y final test tomorrow, so I'm doing great. Finally I have some free time. Atomotasfandums. How've you been?
Nice.
I have to do a security gotcha thing.
Oh yeah. I've been pretty good. I've been working on some music stuff. I'm still working on my audio drama, and yeah. Are you gonna be going on break from school soon? Because of the holidays.
As a collaborator, man.
Then how do I find that in GitHub desktop? New repository, add local, clone repository, clone.
Oh, screen share again.
Oh boy, when I screen share, it's gonna be all wonky. Hold on a second.
Let me screen share then.
Oh wait. I see it. Hold on. I think I got it. All right, clone. We're gonna put this. Don't put it there. Put it in. Just put it in here. Just put it in this root folder. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. We're cooking now. I think. Hopefully, maybe. I think I downloaded it. Okay. Yep. I see it. I think it character update.
Character update. Yep, that was my last push.
All right. So we're gonna go to Shadow S. Oh, I might not have updated. Hold on.
Atomotasfandums. Yeah. After tomorrow, I'm totally free.
A fresh slate with new animations. I deleted all of the existing scripts that I had. Okay.
Okay. Select current folder. Please choose a project stock. Okay. Hold on. Here we go.
There we go. Screen share. Let's see if it'll work now that you're in a gaming Discord. And if it doesn't work, then we'll figure it out.
All right. If it doesn't work, I think I have to restart my Discord again. Hold on.
All right.
That line on the screen is from my magnifier because the new way of screen sharing on Mac is stupid. So, all right. Hello. Can you still hear me?
Testing. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
All right, I hear you.
All right, hooray. Okay, so I'm in Godot. Here we go. Here we are. Oh, it's loading something. Hold it. Hold for it. Ah, okay.
The character's sideways for you.
Oh, which direction is he supposed to be?
Not sideways. I'm curious why he's sideways.
I mean, he's just facing a different direction. He's...
Yeah, he should not be facing that direction.
Oh.
Can you click the character?
Hold on. Let me click off the character, and then... Alright, so if I click...
You have something old. I don't know why you have that version.
Did you just push?
I did push. I'm looking at the hierarchy on the left there, and I deleted all of that.
Well, I'm gonna close, and you can look at the repository. This is the latest push. Yeah, 16 minutes ago. Character update.
Hold on, scene. I'm gonna save.
Here,
save
fetch
scene,
again.
Project. How do I like save the whole project or something?
There should be like a file. Or, oh no, there isn't a file. I actually have to. Well, no, I don't think I can even open Visual Studio this way. Yeah, I think I have the latest version. I can't go back anymore. I mean, I can't. I have the latest one.
I'm checking.
You're sure you're...
I'm so confused. It's like...
Are you sure you're in the one that's in GitHub and not in your old one?
I'm on Project Shadowborn.
I'm going to look up to make sure how to link Visual Studio Code to Godot. All right, configure Godot editor settings, open Godot, navigate to editor. I'm gonna at least open this and get my settings right. I think they already are right, but I just want to make sure.
Man, I am not a fan of GitHub. Like, I understand. I'm just saying, with my experience, I'm not a fan of my experience with GitHub. Is more accurate. I always seem to break things, or it doesn't work, and I spend more time trying to figure out how to fix that than actually developing.
Yeah, there's. I mean, there are some. Yeah, this is the.
Yeah, you have the wrong version entirely.
Oh dear.
Can you open up your desktop, GitHub desktop?
Configure open Godot editor. Yeah. This isn't the latest one. This custom this character update. That's not.
Yeah, but why did it like? I don't know. I don't know why it didn't remove the other things. It should have detected that I
Amend,
like,
commit, reorder,
removed a
commit.
bunch of stuff. I deleted a bunch of files and then uploaded this new one.
So there's initial push, which had probably nothing in it, and then this one. I'm gonna.
I'm gonna ask ChatGPT real quick.
Dear ChatGPT, why is my game being dumb?
Basically.
Well, at least I'm gonna set up my Visual Studio Editor. I think I already have this set up, but I just want to make sure. Open Godot Editor, navigate to Editor Settings. Settings, go to Text Editor, External. Editor Settings. I hate how that song just fades out like that. Like, it sounds so good, and then just fades away. I need, like, the super extended version. Editor Docs, Editor Layout, take screenshot, toggle down. There's an option here. Configure FBX importer. It's like right in the editor setting. It's right in the editor menu. Editor doc? Editor layout? I think these instructions are out of date. Open the Go editor and navigate to editor settings. That is not a thing. Editor docs, editor layout, take screen, open editor data setting. Oh, I don't know, that's settings folder. Manage editor features. Is it? Okay, this is. Oh, here it is. They moved it over here. All right, and then go to that accessibility thing. Auto run screen runner is running. Okay. Network, file system, text editor, theme appearance. Right, external is linked to.
What branch are you on GitHub?
What branch am I on?
Yeah, it should be main.
Do you have more than one? Yeah, it's on main.
Yeah, that's so bizarre.
Do it. Just do a push. Just do like another push, and then, yeah. Okay, I said use external editor is on. Oh, okay. So then when we hit say on, what do you do? External. Enable use external editor by checking the box. Oh, so like advanced settings to reveal more options. Ah, I see. Okay, so then go back here. And then turn this on, and then execute them path. Oh, I'm not really a big fan of this Godot browser. I'm gonna be straight.
You know what? It might be something related to git ignore.
Oh, did you have too many things in your git ignore?
I think I have a Godot git ignore, but I don't know. I'm checking it out.
STUV Visual. Here we go, Visual Studio Code. Yes. All right. Okay. Cool. All right, so that looks good. Let me try to just open like a random script. Wait, I went. Okay. Here we go. All right, cool. I am in Godot with all of its Godot tastiness. There we go. Okay, cool. We're good to go on these. All right, I have the project. So yeah,
It's a git ignore thing, I believe. Okay.
your project is a little small now. You can just tell it to ignore like nothing. Just have it do everything because and we can just have it ignore some things later. Although that could get messy. I don't know usually what's in the get ignore for Godot.
Hold on.
Okay.
Good. I'm on the live stream. What's up? I just started. We were gonna stream until 6. Are you okay? Do you feel okay?
This is computer code.
All right. Okay. I'm trying to figure out why it's not doing what needs to be done. We're supposed to be like working on like getting animations working. Instead, we're just trying to figure out why files are not being synced to our to the repo.
That was like my before this. I was gonna make a video on working on some music stuff, and then I spent the entire video trying to figure out why my project file wasn't opening. So that was cool. Okay, yeah, I don't want to do any of that. I don't want to.
This is probably one of those extremely simple fixes, and then you got to find out why it's not working, and then you implement the simple fix.
If you think it's your get ignore, you could just probably clear out your get ignore. Although, actually, I can see your get ignore. Hold on, let me see what's in here. Alright, so if you come here, and then we go here, and then we just do like that. That's not how you spell that. Alright, let's see what's in the get ignore.
Alright, let's see.
Oh, it's not showing it to me. Hold on. I always forget the button to show hidden files. Always forget the button. Command Shift period. Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. Whoa. Godot slash? Oh, it's anything in the Godot folder? No specific ignore.
Check.
.import, export, .config, export. Import translation. Automatically generated from CSV files. Okay, so we don't need those. You could try getting rid of the .godot slash maybe, but
Right, here we go. Version control under project. Version control settings. No VCS plugins are available.
yeah, oh no, yeah, you probably do want to keep that .godot in there because this looks like editor. Keep the .godot slash out of there because that's like editor preferences, and we don't want to change that around because that'll mess up our editors.
No fucking sorry, no changes. I just did something and I didn't do anything.
Can I see your screen?
Yeah. All right. Share screen.
Okay.
So this is how the character should look.
Yeah.
You see that there's the character here, and you see how like the scene has like nothing in it at all.
Yeah.
And then scene. There is no like. Well, there's a save all scenes, but. Save scene,
Yeah, just do that. Like save all scenes. Is there like a save whole project? Save
all scenes, and then I go here, but it doesn't even have any changes. I just moved my character. I saved the scene. GitHub didn't even acknowledge that there was any
Oh,
changes.
that's interesting. So it's like it's not. In what folder?
It's almost like it's not even loading.
Character. What folder is this project in? Can you confirm that?
I can. Let's do. What is it? Absolute, or what is it? Show file manager.
Okay, so then.
Hold on, it's not even opening. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's
It's
like
not-
it's not in. You're not in the repo.
Okay.
So you can just
that
copy.
would be-
Yep. So you just copy
hold
that.
on.
and just-
I'm exiting out of Godot really quick, and then I'm gonna load it back up.
Oh no, I'm gonna
That's
paste.
probably the reason.
Yeah, I'm
For some
gonna
reason
close
it's
my.
loading this, so I need to import, and it needs to load from GitHub, and then Shadowborn, and then Shadowborn. Select this folder. Import.
And if you open this one, you'll see that.
Yep, there it is. That's what you see.
Yep.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is
Or just overwrite it, or just move it, or just like move that whole Godot folder out and just put the new one in.
I will. Oh, this is crazy. All right, yeah. So let me check something really quick. Character. Where's the character at? Minimize that. Okay, so I think it has my current ones in here.
Wait, it does?
Yeah. So let me set this to linear. Now that'll loop forever. And then landing is not going to be a looping animation. Mantling, which is like climbing up a side of a cliff, is not that. So turn is linear. I don't know if I need to save to file at all for these animations. It might just be without it.
Save to if they're all in that if they're all in that FBX, and no, like because they will all just be written in that file, right?
Yeah.
So I think if you add extra animations, you could probably save those to extra files and merge them. I'm not sure how to do that.
Okay, so do I have to like re-import? I don't think so. Now
I mean-
if I go, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this character now.
So do you want to just put in your new project, or do you want to try to update this one and then push to me?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna update this one for sure.
Okay, animation
Character
tree.
flow.
Let's see, before adding, note that the animation tree node does not contain its own animation. Instead, it uses animations contained in the animation player.
This needs to be like solid.
You create, edit, and import your animations in an animation player, and then use an animation tree to control the playback. Animation player animation tree can be used in both 2D and... Oh, how do we do that? Alright, this is how it does the third person shooter demo. Okay.
Alright, how do I scale this vertically? Horizontally. Here we go.
Okay, so we have to make an animation player node? Oh, I closed my good.
Alright, character is getting scaled.
So should I wait until you push to do anything, or?
Yeah, I'm about to be finished in just 1 second. I'm updating.
Creating a tree using an animation
Yeah.
tree. Yeah.
This character is like not facing the correct direction. How do I rotate? Where is it? Here we go.
Okay.
Transform.
Game devs in disguise. I'm just gonna look at this so I have something to do.
This is frustrating.
Okay, so if I...
I'm just trying to figure out the positioning of this.
Okay,
This needs to rotate slowly.
There's the animation player. The animation player. Character body 3D. Use an animation tree. You have to set the root node. An animation root node is that contains evaluates subnodes and outputs an animation. These are 3 types of subnodes. Animation nodes reference an animation from the linked animation player, animation root node, which are used to blend subnodes. Animation blend nodes are used in an animation node blend tree. A few types of root nodes. Animation node animation.
All right, here we go. I'm doing a push.
Okay.
Excellent. All right, you should have a pull. Oh, what's that? What does that say?
I'm going to discard all this.
It means you've made changes and you have to discard your changes. Yeah, and then you'll be able to pull.
Okay. There we go.
Do you ever use GitHub at work? Do you ever use source control at work, Sid? I don't know what that is. Magic?
The Gathering?
Yeah.
He's still sideways. Is he supposed to be still sideways?
Yeah, he is. I only fixed the camera.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm looking at this documentation here. I'm just gonna put it in the side chat, and maybe you can help me make sense of this. It looks like you have the animation player, but then it starts talking about like to do the blend tree. All right, creating a tree. To use a blend tree or to use an animation tree, you have to set a root node. An animation root node is a class.
Okay, so I do have a root node, I thought. That's the root bone. It's just called root.
Okay. So is that under... Oh, there's this animation. Okay, that's the... Wall check.
I think that's incorrect. I think all that is incorrect.
Oh, these are...
Hold on. Let me check something.
So this animations is an animation player.
Hold on. I'm checking something. Yeah, so what? All of these animations are incorrect in the character skin. All of them.
Oh, geez.
I mean, it's using the old stuff. So...
Okay.
I'm just going to delete all of that.
So delete like all this wall.
I'm deleting the entire animation playlist because those are the old ones before I redid all the animations.
So this whole character skin.
Yeah, the whole thing is like incorrect.
So should I erase the whole character skin or just the stuff under it?
Just do. I think I would. Hold on. Give me a second here.
I'm gonna pull up a video. This thing needs a root.
I'll do another push in just a second.
A root node. Hold on. Let me just go look at a video. I heard Brackies is doing Godot tutorials now, so that's pretty cool.
Nice.
You remember him?
Nope.
Oh, he did a lot of Unity. He was like real big in Unity thing. Fans are pissed. Uh-oh.
About what?
Fans can't believe how bad the AC Shadows Attack on Titan collab is.
Oh yeah.
There's an Assassin's Creed Attack on Titan collab? What? Whoa, that looks like a really cool. What is this? 2 hours of futuristic ambience. Man, that's a cool looking freaking picture. Anyways.
Hold on, dude. I'm trying to find the location for my material. Give me a second.
Okay.
Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to be working on animation trees. We're going to blend together a upper body and lower body. We're also going to use the various movements that we have imported. Now if we hop into Godot here, I have a couple extra animations that I've already imported. We had the forward import from the last video, but I went ahead and imported a back, left, and right from Mixamo. You can use whatever you like, or you can make your own, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I did not go over or record that.
Okay, we're gonna speed this up a little bit. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yep.
As we already did that in the past episode. And so for future episodes, whenever I have a new animation that I need, I'll just go ahead and grab it and I'll say that I imported it. And if you want to know how, you just have to go back to the previous video. So today we're going to be going over animation trees. For this tutorial, we're going to be going over the first half, which is going to be all of the basics. And then the second half.
Okay, so he made... What's all this? Okay, so that's inside his character base, which your character base is the character skin. And so inside there, he made an animation tree.
All right, I'm saving and doing a push.
Okay. I'll close this. I wonder, do I have to close it every time, or can I just, will it update? Oh, did you pull yet? I mean, did you push yet?
I'm pushing now. All right, you can pull.
All right. We're fresh. We're new. We're tasty. Maybe I should...
figured out one issue.
What's that?
My project, I was working in the wrong project location.
Oh, yeah.
That'll do it.
Yeah. I think I want to do different branches. I might make another branch that way. Hold it. There it is. All right.
I don't think we're at a point where we need an additional branch. We don't have a lot in this one.
True. I'm looking at a YouTube video. Here, I'll send you that too, and you can kind of look at it. But looks like he adds an animation tree.
Oh, I got something as well. I have a video that I've been following that would help. This is what I was learning from.
Oh, you don't have an animation player in here.
Yeah, I don't yet. No. Hold on. Give me a quick second.
What button is it to open the node drawer? Command A.
Right.
Okay.
I'm linking this to you, and I gotta go feed my cats.
Okay.
Hold on. Why did that not?
That's weird. What?
It did not make it. It did not make a link. There we go.
All right, there you go.
Really weird. I'm delete the other two. And if you skip forward,
this is
to find the animation blend trees a little bit, I think.
So, recreating Zelda Breath of the Wild in Godot? Is that it?
Yep.
Why is it 10 hours long?
Yeah, you skip around in it. It's the whole project of what he was doing. Skip to about 2 hours and 9 minutes.
Oh, man.
I gotta feed my cat. I'll be back.
2 hours and 9 minutes. Okay.
It's around that area.
Player animations. Okay.
Option to create a new inherited scene, open anyway, or cancel. If you open anyway, then you're getting the scene by itself. So here we have a node 3D, and we have a mesh instance 3D, which has a mesh, and this mesh has a, if I expand this mesh has a surface 0 with a material. And this material we could even change. So for example, instead of albedo, you could make whatever change you like, although not something that I want to do. However, there we have a big warning that changes may be lost. If you click on that, you get this scene was imported, so changes to it won't be kept. Now there's a whole bunch of documentation that you could be reading, but effective. But you can set it to linear, then it plays forever. So if I play it now, you are working with inheritance, where you don't manipulate the object itself, instead you're creating a child of it, and that is what you change. Although this I don't actually want to do for the bone, so let me not save it and close the thing. Then we can look at more interesting parts. Besides the weapons, we also have rupees and objects. Those are very simple. Then we have the environment and the characters. I guess the environment is kind of interesting. This overworld environment, double click on this one, map. This is the thing we are going to import later on. You see one sun. Besides that, we are getting the floor, and that, close. And next up, we can look at what we want to work on the most in this section, the characters. Yeah, but since we want to start with Godot, let's open that one. Inside of that folder, we have Godot itself, and then we have two textures. One for the face, the act. There are two parts, or two major parts that we are importing in this new scene. The first one is the rig, and this rig is a skeleton 3D, which otherwise contains a whole bunch of meshes. For example, we have the arms, the body, the head, and the two legs. And since this is a skeleton, all of those will be connected so we can animate them via an animation player. Or this is where we are going to store all of them. With Godot, we are importing them via an animation player. Or this is where we are going to store all of them. For example, in there, we have a melee attack chop, and if I play that, we are getting one attack.
Wait, hold on.
Connected the arms, the body, the head, and the two legs. And since this is a skeleton, all of those will be connected so we can animate them. And these animations have been created.
Hold it. Okay, so he opened.
That skeleton is the rig, the skeleton warrior.
All right, I
We
am
could
back.
start with any of them, but since we want to start with Godot, let's open that one. Inside of that folder, we have Godot itself, and then we have two textures. One for the face, the actual model.
Okay, so he opens the character viewer.
I'm here.
Welcome back. Okay, so your character is... GLB. Okay, so you're...
I have an FBX, so
Oh, that's an FBX. Okay, so it's the character.fbx.
yeah.
All right, there's the textures. Okay.
So you can see the animations on the left there.
Oh, I can't, like... Oh, whoa.
So
That's weird. All right.
I don't know why it's like that, but if you click those animations, they're right next to you.
Yeah, I see fall.
There's a play button too. Maybe you can make this UI bigger for yourself. I don't know.
Oh, I probably can. I just what? Okay.
Did you not see it?
I saw it. I thought I could hit space and have it play, but no dice.
So I'm wondering if I have to save these animations to file and create an animation player. But I don't think I do. I think that we have to create an animation blend tree instead, and I'm thinking it'll load from this. That's my guess.
Well, in his video, so he clicks on Godot in here, and then so it shows the model in the model inspector, like it is in this one.
Also a lot more complex.
And so it just talks about, it shows all her different little body
And since this is a
parts.
skeleton, all of those will be connected so we can animate them. And these animations have been created in Blender. Inside of Godot, you are getting
Oh, whoa, hold on. Let me turn your what's your face
There.
down? There you go.
Is this right?
importing them via an animations. And since this is a skeleton meshes, and there are two parts or two major parts that we are importing in this new scene. The first one is the rig, and this rig is a skeleton 3D.
So can I find your rig in here? Yeah, I think this is the skeleton 3D right there. Oh well, it's inside a node. It's inside a rig node.
Which is Godot. Let's open that one. Inside of that folder, we have Godot itself, and then we have two textures, one for the face and one for basically the rest of the body. And if you open Godot.glb, you can see the actual model, and that looks pretty nice. This model is also a lot
So
as a rig, and this rig is a skeleton body, the head, and its animations have been created in Blender. Inside of Godot, we are importing them via an animation plugins have been created in Blender. Those will be connected so we can animate them. And
okay, so inside this, he makes an animation player inside of.
Yeah, so I think I've sent you the wrong thing, sort of. The thing that I was watching.
The animation player
No,
is
I'm
right
not-
here.
What's that?
I'm just trying to like make sense of it. So I like, oh, the animation player is there.
Yeah, so the animation player. So there's like, my understanding, there's like 3 ways you could do this. Animation player, you have all of your animations inside a folder, and that's basically your animation player. And then in your script itself, you call the animations. But this is not a blend tree. This will have jabs and whatever it's called, where like you, if you're going from like walk to run,
these animations
or
are part of the game. If then it plays forever.
So is he not using a blend tree, or is he not using an animation tree in here?
so far he's not. He is not using that at all. Because if
Oh.
it was, you would actually see like a graph where you can drag and drop the animations in, and then connect one animation to another, and you can control the blending between them.
Let me see. I had a video I was looking at.
Hap is going to be going over things like events, method calls, and functions and things of that nature. But for
So this one's got the animation player, and then he's got let's try this animation tree. We add that, and then what?
now, we've got the animation tree, so we have a couple of
okay.
variables over here that we should probably go ahead and fill. So let's go ahead and set the animation player to animation player.
All right, so then in the animation tree, set the animation player. Tree root. Animation player is yeah, how come I can't find it?
You have to add a node.
Hold on, let me see. Does it work like this? Oh. Filter nodes, show all. Since your animation player is inside this character, I don't know how I could link it.
Alright, let me check something.
Because in this video, it's like outside, so I can.
Yeah, it's outside it. Yeah, I haven't made it yet.
Oh,
I deleted the old animation ones. So, hold hold on one second. I'm checking to see if what I'm gonna do is gonna be correct.
Can we add the animation player or the animation blend tree inside the character inspector? Is that a thing? I don't think it's a thing. Nope, it's not a thing. Hat racks. Yeah, yeah, because the animation tree needs the root node and it needs the player, and those things are both inside. Actually, I don't know where those are.
Oh, you know what? All right. So here's what I want you to try and do. I'm watching your screen. Right-click the player 3D node on there, and then add a child node. Don't do animation tree. Just type animation. Animation player. Okay. So we need to get the animation. So press OK. So now double click the FBX inside there. I should probably do this. Okay. So we need to actually, so there's your animation player right there. I don't know why we're having to do this. I was thinking that like I could just use this right here. Can you drag that onto the animation? Hold on, let me check.
Let me see. No, I don't think so.
No, you can't drag it.
Compression enabled.
There is a saved file.
How'd you get it to be outside before?
I did like what we're doing here. Keep custom track. I don't know. Oh, okay, I see. All right. Let me go back to your screen. All right, you have to be in the FBX, and then select one of the animations. And now at the very top right, save to file.
The very top.
Up. Yeah, you're in the middle right now. Go to the top right of this window.
This is
Go
the
up.
Like outside that window?
I don't know which mouse I'm looking at. I see two mouse cursors.
Oh, well, I'm in the part that says like settings, loop mode. Oh, here it is, saved file. Okay.
Yeah, saved a file. And then I can't see it. The screen is too small text. Saved a file. Then you have to give a path to it.
Okay.
And we need to create a folder called like animations. So under character, in the character folder,
all right, then I'll
create
make a
new
folder
in here called animations.
How do you make a new folder? Oh, no, actually.
Top right, maybe.
Yeah, yes.
Or maybe right click.
Yeah, create a new folder.
And then name this animations. Yeah.
Okay, so this should be.
Now you need to actually name this
animation. What was that? Turn.
So turn. Type turn in the file name, and then save.
Oh boy, we need to do this for every single one.
Yeah. Let's check before you do that. Check the animation folder.
Okay. You know what? This makes me think that when you exported them from Autodesk, it just make it different files. Hold on, I gotta close this. Close.
Now go to the animation folder, double click it. You're in Playground. Scroll up.
No, I am.
Yeah, dude, I cannot tell what your mouse is looking at. All right, now go to animations. Double click that folder.
Nothing shows up in there.
Then I don't think there is any animation in that folder.
Maybe I had to click like OK or something. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll try fall. And then
All
we'll
right, you have to
say,
go back up to save the file in this one. Yep.
and then
path.
this animation. Oh wait, it did save.
It
Oh no,
saved
no,
the folder.
that's the mat. No, it didn't save. It didn't save this. And then we click save. And
And then re-import maybe.
I don't think we should have to re-import. I don't know why I didn't.
Click say keep custom track or something. I don't know what that means.
Keep custom track.
Oh, I see what it is. You see at the very top under our slices and the amounts. So we have 2, 4, 6. We have 8 slices so far. So type 8 under the amount.
All right. Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah. This is how I did it last time. And I think this is redundant. This seems stupid. Like all the tracks are.
I gotta make all the slices again. I think it'd be better if you just re-exported it from Max in separate file types or in separate files because it already does it.
No, it would not work because this is saving out its own Godot format.
Oh,
Let me take a look. Watch what the guy does.
but he's not using blend trees. I was looking at the guy that was using blend trees. Like this guy's using blend trees. But, all right, I'm looking.
Play now. Godot is going to idle forever. You can also get ping pong, and it's going to play backwards and forwards. Now let me stop the animation. Most of the time, you want to stick either with none or with linear, but it really depends on your project. Besides the loop mode, you also get save to file and slices. Slices simply means that you can slice animation apart and get only certain frames. Not something I'm going to do at all in this tutorial, but it's fairly easily done. Finally, we have save to file. And if you enable that, you can save this animation in a separate file inside of your project. Now, why would you want to do that? And well, remember, we are importing all of these animations from a file, meaning we cannot change them. But sometimes you do want to add things to an animation. For example, in the middle of an attack animation, you might want to call a method. And for that, we would have to add a custom track to the animation. And for that to work, we have to enable save to file and then save the animation in a custom file in Godot. And make sure you activate keep custom track. That way.
Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need this slice.
I got it. I know what you got to do. All right, go in Godot. Go back to the FBX. All right. There is a button called Actions at the top left of this screen, this window. It's above the hierarchy thing.
Yep, actions.
Okay. And now it's like something animation, set animation.
Set animation save path.
Okay. You do that. Now,
okay, so then. And we just.
And then look for the select button. Select current folder.
Select, yeah, there it is.
And those are all of my animations right there.
Oh, and it just made them?
No, I already had them. It detected it inside the FBX. So
path.
Let's hope to God that they're in there, but I don't know. So we'll have to go and look. I'll look in the animation folder.
Let me just look in the Explorer. All right. It doesn't look like they're there.
What the shit? All right. Maybe re-import. Click the re-import button.
Maybe I gotta like confirm it. Like, is there like a confirm button on this close?
Let me check on my end. I'm gonna do it again.
Let me see what he does after. Hold on, let me see what he did. How he did.
You can add stuff to animations. Although for now, this is not what I want to do. So let's keep it like this. And then we can close all of this.
Yeah, I think we will have to save him to file, because he's saying if you want to do things like call methods in the middle of them, which you would probably want to do, they'd have to be separate things. But I don't know how to. What is this? Fall? All right, someone. Wait, is this? Fall, land.
I got it. I just got all of them. I see all the animations. I'm gonna do a push really quick, okay?
Well, how'd you do that?
I after so you all right, let me see your screen again. I'll show you. All right, so you did actions, you set the folder. Now
Yep.
you need to click the animation player that's in this thing here. Click that.
Okay.
And then click re-import. It's one of the buttons at the
Oh, okay. Wait.
All right, and now go to your folder for animations.
Ah, there they are. Got them.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right. Now my question is this animation player the same as the other one? I don't think so.
Yes, that is great. So it's easier. We didn't have to create the slices ourselves.
Okay, so this animation player that I have here is just like a random one. At least I think that it is.
Hold on, I'm looking up mellow mushroom. Right? Do you have mellow mushroom at your place?
What is that?
Yeah. If you don't know, then you don't know.
Like a
mellow mushroom is a fantastic pizza place in my area.
Oh no, we don't have that.
And instead, I want to right-click on Godot.glb and then create a new inherited scene. With that, we are getting Godot. It's very blue tinted because of the light.
Oh, hold it. I think I know what to do. All right, so then we. Oh, that's what I'm gonna try anyway. Create new inherited scene. And there we go. And now I have the character rig and all that stuff. Yay. And now the proper animation player is here. Cool. Okay.
Don't worry too much about it. And for this inherited scene, I want to change the name to, let's call it Godot Skin. That way we are indicating that this is only a character model. This I now want to save inside of Scenes, Entities, and Player. In there, we have Godot Skin.
Here, I'm gonna put that and then call that Dave. It's gonna be my version of the character skin.
Once we have that, back inside of the player, I want to get rid of the mesh instance and then replace it with Godot Skin. And make sure you're getting the TSCN file, not the GLB file. Can be a bit confusing sometimes. This is what I want to open, and then we have the Godot model. Let's run the game now, and we can see the Godot model. Obviously, we don't have animations, so this isn't great yet, but definitely a starting point. Now, to actually animate it, you want
Oh, maybe you already did this already. Well, that's okay.
to look inside of Godot Skin, and then look at the animation player. In there, you can play all of the animations we have just seen in the import menu. Let's say for now, by default, I want to play the idle animation. At the moment, I can only play it once, but that's definitely a start. If I run the game again, at the very least, Godot doesn't have the T-pose anymore, so it looks a bit better, but still not ideal. So just to get started, inside of the animation, I want to set the idle animation to autoplay. And then, when we are importing Godot, I want to find the idle animation, this one here, and then set the loop mode to linear. That way, when we're playing the animation, it keeps on playing more than once. I want to find play. And then, when I want to set the idle animation to autoplay. And then, when we are importing Godot, I want to find the idle animation, this one here, and then set the loop mode to linear. That way, when we're playing the animation, it keeps on playing more than once. After you have done that, you need to make sure that you are re-importing the model. Only then do we get the actual update.
Okay, and then we do this. Okay.
And now, when we are playing the idle animation, it is going to play forever. And since it's auto-playing on load, it should also work inside of the scene. And there we go. Godot is being animated. It's a bit hard to see because the animation is quite subtle, but you get the idea. If Godot is moving, I want to play a run animation. For that, we have to look at the import again, and then find a run animation in here somewhere. There are actually multiple. We have run A, run B, and run C. Choose whatever you like. I'm going to go with running B, simply because I think this one looks best, but this is really subjective. Since this one should be playing continuously, it should also be linear. Once we have that, click on re-import. We can look at the animation player and look at running B, and I can play it, and we are getting a run animation.
Run, walk, and I think the fall is linear, or fall is loop 2, and that's already set. And then re-import. There we go. Okay, now if I go to the animation player, steak trass.
Look at running B, click on re-import. We can look at the animation player, and look. Once we have that, click on re-import. We can look at the animation player.
Not sure. It's like 23.
I did just the regular pepperoni pizza.
I did too.
Not the original, the pepperoni pizza.
Let's take a look. All right, Mr. David, I'm gonna get going. Okay, buddy.
Okay, we can go back.
Thank you
We
for
can go
working
back.
with me. Do a push when you get a chance. Okay.
Okay, I made a scene. Well, I'll put the notes in the GitHub. We can come back next Friday if you want.
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah.
Friday experimental streams. Yeah.
Yeah, we got to start getting into the blend trees though.
I mean, that's what I plan to do, and then I still like us to go over mess around with Blender at some point too.
Yeah, definitely. All right.
All right. Well, guys, that was it. Just kind of a messing around random Friday play around stream. Is this gonna be a normal thing? No idea. But hey, it's kind of a fun time. So until then, I'll see you guys on Tuesday where we'll be. Oh, I'll have a guest on that stream too. So until then, Dreamcore signing out.
All right, David, that was awesome. Thanks for doing this with me. All right, I'll see you, man.